after Buju Banton went to jail for
8 years, 6 months, 27 days, 13 hours, 5 minutes, and 26 seconds.
he still managed to give us the most amazing performance and put on the most amazing show Jamaica has ever seen. Buju Banton should be named a legend after this show and this performance. And we are talking about the long walk to freedom held at the National Arena on March 16, 2019. That's the historical day. People, we are going to talk about that concert right after this.
Chaddy more in news, we love it. We shoot some vlogger out of them shoes, left body back.
This is Jamaica. Who is not here? You should have been here. Foreign for empty.
So people, despite the negative energy that want to come and overshadow such a joy, such a wonderful thing, the best and biggest thing in entertainment Jamaica has ever seen, Buju still stay strong. Buju still give us an electric performance. People, I've never seen so much people in the National Stadium before. I've never seen so much people watching a Jamaican perform, a Jamaican entertainer on internet before, on streams. So persons were there live in living colors, and yes, we were streaming it online. And I want to give a big shout out to everyone that stick with the Chaddy TV last night, even though the stream did a pop down and all these things. I'm glad for you. I'm glad say you stick around. So we are going to show you some highlights of Buju Banton Long Walk to Freedom right now. So the stadium was packed to capacity with over 35,000 people at the stadium physically. Yeah man, that's the National Stadium. I didn't know that the stadium could actually hold so much people. That's just what's inside the stadium. And another couple thousand was outside the stadium. Roads has to be closed off. You see me? People flew in from I think every country in the world just to see Buju Banton perform, just to support Buju Banton. And you're telling me that this man isn't a legend? Yo, he's the living legend, and all hail Buju Banton. As I said before, who was it there physically? We're watching it on the World Wide Web. Because you know nowadays with technology, anything can be near. I mean, a person can be all the way in Dubai, but yet they are watching a live feed from the National Stadium. And that is just exactly what happened. So people, a lot of vloggers was streaming it along with myself. You see me? Me did a stream. And as I say, bless up to everybody who did up on the stream last night. You see me? So on different stream, like every stream when I stumble on, they have over 1,000 person watching. You see me? So in total, in my estimate, I think there are at least 70,000 people watching on streams on the World Wide Web. So that's in total, I think over 100 people, if my math is correct, watching Buju Banton. So who is not there in living colors, they are there on the World Wide Web watching what's going on. Even though every minute the stream did a breakdown. And it's just one live feed we're getting. Till even Major Hype was annoyed by the stream disconnecting every minute. You see me? And then him eventually blame Buju Banton's son, which is Marcus Myrie.
Yo, somebody need to find this nigga Marcus, yo. This nigga's up all the lives. Yo, Marcus, what's your vibe, boy? Niggas just trying to watch your pops, boy. All that other shit, niggas just trying to watch Long Walk, boy. Like, come on. The Gargamel came out in his full white. Niggas is trying to watch the shit. You plugging out all the lives, boy. Marcus, chill, bro. Don't do that, bro. Somebody find Marcus, man. Come on, son. This nigga in his feelings, bro. I can't deal with that, bro. Chill, bro. Niggas trying to watch it. Niggas trying to watch Buju B, bro. Buju B, bro. Like, come on, God, man. Niggas trying to watch that. Come on, son. Don't sabotage all the lives, bro.
So people, I'm going to show you more highlights now.
What you say, the Lord's my shepherd, I'm not born. He led me down to life. In my soul's green, Chaddy led me the quiet waters by. My table has furnished in the presence of my foes. My head, the house to know we are. My cup it overflows. Yes, I walk in this dark faith that will I share no shade. And I stop, they are with me. Birds holy upward stay. It said, goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. I'm in John's house for
So yes, people, that's it. That's the highlights. That's some of the highlights that I got. But what I want you to tell me, where were you watching the Buju Banton live show? Where were you physically at the stadium, at the National Stadium? Were you on Chaddy TV watching it live? Or you were on another streaming service watching it live? Tell me, where were you watching the Buju Banton show live? And you can participate in the poll in the top right hand corner, or you can just comment in the comment section and tell me where were you watching, and tell me where were you watching from, and if you were indeed watching the Long Walk to Freedom. People, the only thing I can say is this is history. This is something that literally needs to be written down in history. And another thing, I'm sure of, Buju Banton is now a walking legend. So as what me have to say, Buju Banton, thanks for that electric performance. It was really an amazing performance, and me can say this 100,000 times, you are a walking legend. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And people, I'm out.
Some people only know Buju when him locks. Who know Buju when Buju are ballin'? And him do a tune say, me have the stamina daddy, when the can't pick it, it's still all the same. Yeah. What do you think of that? Me love me car, me love me bag, me love me money and things. But most of all, me love me rowdy.